Lemons are one of the most versatile fruits in every kitchen, widely used in meals, desserts, and refreshing drinks. But what happens when you have too many lemons or bring home a bulk purchase because the price was low, and then wonder how to preserve them? To extend their freshness, pick fruits that are firm and spotless, with smooth, shiny skin and free of blemishes. Freezing is an excellent method to enjoy lemons for months, sometimes up to an entire year. If your lemons come from a store, wash them well. They are often covered with wax, so soak them in hot water for several minutes. You may also add a bit of food-grade baking soda to help remove pesticides that may cling to the peel. Where are you watching from? Leave a comment and let me know. After soaking, rinse under clean running water to clear away residue and dirt. Then drain completely or dry carefully with a towel. It's nice to know that we see each other all around the globe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do it now by pressing the subscribe button. Your support means a lot. Get a freezer-safe zip bag. Place the lemons inside, but leave a small gap wide enough to fit a straw. Insert the straw and suck out all the air, then seal the bag tight. This creates a vacuum seal and keeps oxygen away, helping the lemons retain flavor and avoid drying out. Finally, place them straight into the freezer. With this simple trick, lemons can stay good for as long as 5 months. When needed, you can grate a frozen lemon without thawing it first, or defrost and use normally. Frozen lemons preserve their fragrance and taste, though the texture may soften once they thaw. That's why they're better for juices, teas, or recipes where firmness isn't needed. Another way, slice the lemons into thin circles to prepare for your favorite drinks. Remove the seeds if you like, since lemon seeds contain natural compounds such as limonene and peptalamonin, which can give a bitter flavor. If bitterness bothers you, it's best to discard them. Next, line a tray with paper. Arrange the slices evenly, making sure they don't overlap. This step prevents them from sticking together in the freezer. Freeze the tray for half an hour or so, until each piece hardens. Then remove from the freezer. Prepare an airtight box or another freezer-safe bag. Place the slices inside carefully. Now you'll have frozen lemon wheels ready for iced teas, quick lemonades, remedies with honey and sugar for cough relief, or even as natural compresses to ease fever. Seal well and return to the freezer. If you feel heavy or digestion is slow, put one slice into a mug of warm water. Let it steep for a few minutes so the beneficial elements release. Stir, then drink slowly. It will calm the stomach and reduce bloating. If you're coughing, thaw a slice. Sprinkle some salt on top and keep it in your mouth. This can ease irritation, reduce phlegm, and soothe the throat. Another method to preserve lemons for as long as 12 months is to juice them and freeze the liquid. First, wash thoroughly and cut the lemons in half. Squeeze with a citrus press. While juicing, use paper towels to catch the essential oils released from the rind. This avoids bitterness from seeping into the liquid. The peel holds oils and flavonoids like naringin and hesperidin that make the juice taste bitter. The white pith is also more bitter than the outer peel. Be sure to remove the seeds too. Now the fresh juice is ready. Get an ice cube tray, lift its lid, and fill with the juice. Cover it again. Place into the freezer. After it hardens completely, take the tray out. Open the cover. Wow! The juice has frozen into neat little cubes. Transfer the cubes into a sealed box or bag. Close tightly and keep frozen. Whenever needed, just grab a few cubes and melt them or drop them directly into warm water. The taste and color may change slightly, but the convenience is unbeatable. You can use these cubes for cooking, baking, or drinks. Lemonades, salad dressings, marinades, or sauces. This way, lemon juice lasts a whole year. Don't discard the peels. When juicing, store them in the freezer until you've collected enough. Then thaw and slice them thin. Lemon rinds are useful. Beyond cooking, you can soak them in white wine to polish metals, dry them in the sun to deter insects in closets, put fresh peels in the fridge to absorb odors, or squeeze one under your nose to release oil mist, which can reduce nausea or clear a stuffy nose. The list of uses is long, so always keep the peels instead of tossing them away. Next, get plastic bottles, clean and odor-free. If reusing drink bottles, rinse well to remove residue and check for smells. Avoid glass jars. Place the peels inside, filling only halfway. Now, in a cup, mix 1 spoonful of baking soda with water. Stir until fully dissolved. This creates a mild alkaline solution that cuts grease. Pour it over the peels in the bottle, leaving room at the top. This is important because fermentation produces gas. If too full, the bottle may burst. Seal the cap, shake lightly, and store in a cool, shaded area. Let it sit for about a week. During this time, open the lid daily to release pressure. Keep it away from your face as the smell is strong. After 7 days, your natural lemon cleaner is done. Notice how the liquid darkens? Now you can use it. Pour some into greasy pans. Scrub with a sponge and watch the oil vanish. Rinse well with water. The pan will shine, leaving a fresh citrus scent. This method is simple, efficient, and turns kitchen scraps into valuable cleaners. Do you recycle lemon peels? Share your tips in the comments so others can learn too. Thanks so much for watching. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please write below. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.